Hi, I'm Elle. Today we have a real treat. We have the Razer Tron Gaming Keyboard. This keyboard plays homage to the movie Tron. The design, styling, and keyboard functions make it seem like the keyboard came straight from the movie. The keyboard does make a startup sound when it powers up, and it also has a shut down sound when you power your computer down. The attention to detail is fantastic. The keyboard is illuminated and includes a numeric keyboard as well. If you go to Razer's website, you can download the keyboard's driver and program and a few macros to create key commands in your favorite games. While some users may hate the wider keys, we found the design to be aesthetically pleasing. Also, in order to illuminate the keyboard, Razer insists that you plug in both USB connectors. If your computer doesn't have too many free USB ports, you may want to find a different keyboard. For most PC users and system builders, this should not be a problem. Thanks for watching, and remember, everything matters.